Set up 9 pass and everything. Was to make a step on the men's figure fry a wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome back, Creamball, back again in a reaction video. Guys, today I react to Stormzy, Boise Bop, something like saying name, you see me? Somebody request a video, I don't know the thing, got anything to request, just send it down in the comment section down below. Anytime I get the video, you see me? I want to shout out to all of my new subscribers, all of my returning subscribers. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys for sharing the video, liking the video. All I think when I do, just continue to do it, you see me? Make the thing, the channel grow, you see me? Because the big one grow a big family. I want the family to get huge family, you see me? So, I'm gonna begin right now. Murky, key.
Lie. My brothers don't die, we just rusty bar. I tell you, got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, we're taking body shots. Then I finish with a facial just to top it off. Ay, my brothers don't die, we just rusty bar. I tell you, got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, we're taking body shots. Then I finish with a facial just to top it off.
You know what man say finish pan our face just to top it off. The song not even started and everything I go on. Yo.
Hey, you ain't got a clue, let's be honest. I had a couple seasons made a forest. I put in the work and take the profit. Looking at my girl, like what a goddess. Thank God. Rule number 2, don't make the promise. If you can't keep the deal, then just be honest. I can never die, I'm Chuck Norris. Fuck the government and fuck Boris, yeah. I'm a villain, killing when I'm barring. Brothers in the hood, just like the movie that I'm starring. Service in my whip, I phone the boss to bring my car in. I could probably take a trick, but I just I got the sauce. Don't know what you for. Catch me up in snow and then my sliders in my shorts. Chick's trying to get my brother flips to share his thoughts. I think he's trying to tell me I should tell her he don't talk, I don't fuck with her. Yeah, I used to hit it, but you're stuck with her. Man, I wouldn't even try my luck with her. Yeah, let's say I'm bougie. Way too exclusive.
Yo, more on talking about guess what? I just wait till it done and then I say more. You see me?
Chilling in Dubai, know I get it all inclusive. Now may I ask if you can find it in your spirit?
Hold on, you know what this kind of remind me of? This kind of remind me of Childish Gambino. The scene where they stand up on all the cars and everything there, it kind of give me a feeling that still, you see me? The scene already.
Mind your fucking business. Looking in the mirror saying my key or the illest. When I'm James Bond trying to live my movie like I'm Idris, what we telling them, look. My brothers don't die, we just rusty bop. I tell you, I got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, we're taking body shots. Then I finish with a facial just to top it off. My brothers don't die, we just rusty bop.
You know what they was just him call a brother name, you know, Idris. You know, say when him call him name, I say, you know, say that thing I can't remember Idris now. And see this, my boy night. Oh boy, big boy, Idris.
Getting freaky in the sheets, we're taking body shots. Then I finish with a facial just to top it off. Hey, my brothers don't die, we just rusty bop. So much rusty, I might open up a rusty shop. Might be saying that I need to get some sleep. All this flying overseas is always fucking up my body clock. And all this stress has got me racking up my brain. So tell these little fishes back up off my name.
You know, the man said tell the little fishes. I think that Jamaican alone talk about fishes. You see me?
I ain't gotta be a rapper with a chain, cause the rules are kinda different when you're badding up the game. Straight, badding up the game, bad it up again, yeah. Had him up before, I have him up again, yeah. Fake brothers, man, your man and more pretend.
Yeah, for real.
So he's battle with his friends, you man are so insecure, man, it's a joke. I need a ball in the York, cause I'm the ghost. If you believe in your source, then raise a toast. These are some genius thoughts, so make the most. Told her, say me some. I need all the homage, could you pay me some? Man, I'm dropping bangers on your baby mums. Girls see I'm
yo.
They wanna see me nude. My name's Stiff Chocolate, I got nothing left to prove. I got holes in my lapel, rubbing shoulders with your girl. Which one said that I will go to jail? Well, I guess you have to hold the L. Tell them this is London City, we the hottest in the world. But we telling them, look, my brothers don't die, we just rusty bop. I tell you, I got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, we're taking body shots. Then I finish with a facial just to top it off. My brothers don't die, we just rusty bop. I tell you, I got to link me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, we're taking body shots. Then I finish with a facial just to top it off.
Yo, but after that, like, alright, I'm still more there now. Alright. The way that video is set up, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna open on me alone think this. This reminds me of Teflon Don, Idris, Sean Paul Forgot what the song name. Bossy. Yeah. You remember me at Bossy. See the way they make the camera angle change from clip to clip? I love that, bro. I'm not telling a lie. That video, I love how them do that video. Honest to God. You know what I mean? It's not every UK video I watch where the video kind of stay like this. You see me? As me I say, it kind of similar to Bossy. I love the Bossy video. The Bossy video full of the way them switch the camera. I like the way them switch the camera and the way them do everything. You see me? This kind of remind me of Bossy. You see me? And the lyrics in it too. I like the lyrics them too. You see me? And the dancing and the choreography. The choreography, I want some of the best choreography I see. You see me? Otherwise, I not talk about the lyrics. I talk about like the man them I talk. Some of the best choreography I see from man. You see me? Because the mix top the thing in a choreography. You see me? But for the man them, this is about some of the best choreography I see. I not tell you. The video clean, video look good, song sound good. You see me? I'm like, yo, it bad. I not tell you, bad. Bad tune this. You see me? So anyway, guys, oh, and as I say about the Childish Gambino, the part whenever I beat up the car, I can remember me Childish Gambino. You see me? This is America. When them stand up and I beat the car, I can remember that still. You see me? But I don't know, music worldwide, they take influence from this and that. You see me? So you go. But anyway, guys, peace out.